guys, what's up? It's Kristen. Today I'm back with another Stitchfix unboxing for you. If you don't know about Stitchfix, it's a $20 styling fee. I personally paid $49 for the Style Pass. For 1 year, I get unlimited fixes where I pay that one-time flat fee. So if you like these type of unboxings, stay tuned. If you're new, please like and subscribe. Hit that subscribe button and let's get to it. Okay guys, within the box, I'm gonna open it up and then let's see what I got. Inside the box, you get your return label, packaging, a little bit about a gift card from Stitchfix, as well as your style card and your prices. So let's see who my stylist is. I don't see a name at the bottom. Hello, Kristen. I was excited to see you again. I really missed styling you. I held off sending you another maxi since I wasn't able to find a cobalt blue one. I was able to satisfy your desire to see denim shorts that are similar to the latest pair you tried. I noticed on your unboxing video that you did not like how the hem was tacked up on the side, so I chose the 1922 denim stressed frayed hem shorts for you this time. So this person watches my videos, but I don't see a name at the bottom. Or, okay, let me know what you think. Or style your edgy side with the level 99 printed cargo skinny pants that you can pair with the Andrew Mark performance top. Do the cool girl tuck in the front and finish the look with wedge sandals and a fedora. Okay. Can't wait to see you again. Oh, Mary. It's Mary again. I'm still keeping your fingers crossed that Q&A off the shoulder blast will come back in stock. Okay, so I wanted this cobalt blue because I love cobalt blue. And it's an off the shoulder top and I loved it and she can't get it for me. So here is my style card. And my price sheet. So I'll tell you the prices as we go. Here's the bundle on that side, and then the bundle on this side. Alrighty. Alright, so first item looks like the level 99 pants. And it looks like there's a zipper on the side. Let's see. Very cute. And these are the level 99 Win print cargo skinny pant size 0, $98. So I'll put this here so you guys can see this. Okay. Okay, here are the shorts. These are cute. These are more my style. Shorter, some distressing, very soft. These are the 1822 denim Jenna distressed fray hem short in size 0. And these are $38. Okay. Next looks like a dress that has a little knot on the side. It's a long dress, navy blue. And it looks like a wrap dress. Yeah, it is. Okay, so this is the 9 Britain knit maxi dress in navy, size extra small. See that? And this is $48. Okay, next item is, it looks burnt orange here. It's a cute little dress, but it looks red on camera. Very cute. I like red too. This is the Mark and Spruce Chrissy dress, orange red, extra small, and this is $68. And last item, she said to tuck in the shorts, is this top here. which has some crisscrossing going on. And it looks inside it has some sparkle. I don't know if you can see that, but my lights are kind of bright. So this is a Stitchfix exclusive. It's the Andrew Mark Performance Tellura Lorax Detail Knit Top in white, size extra small. And this is $38. Okay, so I'm gonna try these on for you guys and then come back at the end and let you know what I decided to keep, if anything. So keep watching. Okay guys, so here's the top. It's really cute. I like how the little cutouts are out here, and they're also in the back. It's really cute. And then she paired it with the jean shorts. I'm gonna bring it down a little bit so you can see. These are the jean shorts. They fit perfect. I really like these. They fit really nice. I like how where they fit here, how they fit on the sides. Okay, that's this outfit. Very nice. Okay guys, so here are the level 99 pants. These fit awesome. They are so comfortable. The only thing that I'm leaning towards not getting them is because I received a pair in my mix and match, and I actually kept them, and they were $55, but these fit so nice. And then they look awesome with this top. Okay guys, so here is this dress. And it's cute, it has pockets. It fits really nice right up here, but excuse the sports bra that I'm wearing. But it doesn't really close in the back. I'm having a hard time. But it's really cute, and it fits really nice. Okay guys, so here's the last dress. I'm not a big fan of it, the way it fits me here. And like, it just, I don't know. I'm not really a fan of it. I like how it gathers right here, but it's just not me. It seems like the two dresses were in here that are really not my style. I really need to stick with maxi dresses or like jumpers or jumpsuits. But here it is. Okay guys, so I'm back. What I decided to keep is these jean shorts. They're really cute and they fit perfect. I'm on the fence about this top. It's $38 and it's really cute though. So let me know what you think down below. The total for my box was $290. Buy all 5 discount was $72.50. And the total would be $217.50. Obviously, I'm not keeping everything in the box. The 2 dresses, which just weren't me. I really want to go for like jumpsuits or jumpers, something like that, or rompers. And these type of shorts and this top are more my style. Those 2 dresses were not. I'll leave down below what I decided to keep and let me know your thoughts. But yeah, I have a referral code as well. Click it and you get, I think, $15 off your first fix. And thank you for watching. Bye.